Good morning, student. Myself, Dr. Deepti Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany. Today, our topic is pond ecosystem. So, what is pond ecosystem? Pond represent a self-regulatory, stagnant freshwater system. The pond consists of biotic and abiotic component. So, what are abiotic components? Abiotic components comprises simple inorganic substances such as water, carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, calcium, phosphorus, etc. and their compound and organic substances such as amino acid, humus, etc. The quality of light penetrating the water, the temperature, and the other climatic condition regulate the functioning of the pond ecosystem. Now, what are biotic component? The biotic component comprises the producers and variety of consumers. So, what are producers? Producers are microscopic and floating plants which are divided into phytoplanktons like Oscillatoria, Anabaena, Eudorina, Clostridium, and Volvox. Next to phytoplankton is filamentous algae like Spirogyra, Chara, Odogonium, etc. Next to marginal and emergent plants that are Ipomium, Typha, Phragmites, and submerged plant like Potomageton and Vallisneria, etc. Now, next is floating plants like Econia, Piscia, and Wolfia, etc. The next generation is consumers. Consumers are divided into three parts: primary consumers, secondary consumer, and tertiary consumers. So, what are primary consumers? Primary consumers are the consumers which feed upon producers. They are zooplanktons like Paramecium, Cyclopsis, Midas, insects, larvae, and some mollusks and annelids, means benthos. Primary consumers. Next is secondary consumers. Primary consumers are eaten by small fishes and some water beetles. That means secondary consumer eat primary consumers. Next is tertiary consumers. Secondary consumers are eaten by a tertiary consumers like large fishes and crayfishes. So, producers and consumers, and last is decomposers. So, what are decomposers? They are also known as saprophytes or reducers. A variety of bacteria, fungi, actinomycetes are present in the mud water and the bottom of the pond. They decompose the excreta of animals and dead bodies of the plant and animals and releasing the locked in organic substances back into the pond ecosystem. So, there is a cyclic exchange of material between the living community and the abiotic environment of the ecosystem. This is pond ecosystem. These are the sun rays which penetrate to the pond. These are rooted vegetations. These are producers. These are phytoplanktons. These are primary consumers, secondary consumers, and these are decomposers. Thank you.